In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Wise app not working on iPhone. If your Wise app is freezing, crashing, or just won't open properly, don't worry. I'll walk you through two simple things to try. We'll start with the quickest fix, updating the app, and if that doesn't solve it, we'll reinstall it. These steps address most common glitches without getting too technical. First, check if there's an update available. Updates often include bug fixes and compatibility improvements that can resolve unexpected behavior. Open the App Store on your iPhone, then use the Search tab to look for Wise. When you're on the Wise app page, look for a button next to the app name. If you see Update, tap it. You'll notice a progress circle while the update downloads and installs. When it finishes, the button will change to Open. Go ahead and open the app and see if it's working normally again. If you only see Open and not Update, that means you're already on the latest version. If updating doesn't fix the issue, the next option is to reinstall the app. This replaces any corrupted files and resets the app's local data on your phone. On your home screen, find the Wise app icon. Tap and hold it until a menu appears. Choose Remove App Auto-Pibe, then Confirm by selecting Delete App. This removes the app and its stored data from your iPhone. Don't worry. Your Wise account and money are safe because they're stored on Wise's servers, not on your device. Just keep in mind you'll need to sign in again after reinstalling, so have your login details ready. Once it's deleted, open the App Store again and search for Wise. Wise. Tap the download button to install it. You may be asked to authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. Wait for the installation to complete, then tap Open. When the app launches, sign back in. A fresh install clears out problematic cache or settings that might have caused the app to misbehave, and it ensures you're running the most current build. That's all there is to it. Start with updating the Wise app, and if it still won't cooperate, reinstall it from the App Store. These two actions resolve the vast majority of app issues on iPhone. If yours is now working smoothly, you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Wise back up and running quickly.